Hey guys, back to another video. In this video, I'll show you another website from where you can easily remove your watermark. So I've seen a lot of website and this website came across me, so I thought like I would like to share it with you guys, okay? So first of all, what you have to do is just go to the Google and write remove watermark uh, from video online like this, okay? And press enter. Oops, okay. Yeah, so you will get this site, okay? What you have to do is just go to this site, which is online video cutter. Just click on it, and it will lead you to the other interface soon, like this, okay? So after coming here, what you have to do is just open the file from here. And for example, I'm just gonna go with this one, which is it is one of my video. So yeah, I will lead you here like this, okay? And now there are like select one or two areas where you wish to remove the from your video. So what you have to do is just go to that watermark, or if it's a logo, whatever you want to delete, and just do like this and press apply like this, okay? So yeah guys, in this way you can easily remove any watermark from your video. It would be a little blurry, but it's better than the watermark itself. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep watching for more. Take care. Allah Hafiz.